So today I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret. I am obsessed with this Young Thug Gunna and YSL situation because it allows two of my favorite things to intersect: practicing law and some good rap music. But anyway, I digress. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Atlanta DA announcing additional charges and a re-indictment in the Young Thug and YSL case. As a criminal lawyer, I get asked all the time, can prosecutors bring new charges after charges have already been filed? And yes, there are a lot of ways this can happen depending on the circumstances. And if you want a more in-depth video about ways that this can happen, let me know in the comments below. But as it relates to the Young Thug and YSL case, this is possible because these are not new allegations. These are not new incidents that have happened since their initial arrest. These additional charges and the re-indictment are actually based on things that were found at his home at the time of his arrest when the warrant was served on the house. In fact, the judge had already found probable cause for his arrest on all of these separate allegations in a previous hearing. He just hadn't been formally indicted on these allegations, and they weren't contained in the original indictment. This approach is perfectly permissible, and it's honestly quite common. If you were able to watch his initial hearing on these charges, you may recall that the prosecutor at that hearing indicated that this was likely going to happen. So the initial indictment contained 56 counts against 28 people for alleged involvement in crimes committed on behalf of the YSL street gang, including Young Thug. This re-indictment now includes 65 counts, 6 of which apply just to him. All of us that have taken an interest in this case or may be a fan of his music are watching this unfold thinking, oh no, not more bad news. And it's always bad news for a defendant to get charged with additional charges. However, this is something that Young Thug and his lawyer probably anticipated was coming. There is so much to unpack about this entire case and this investigation from both a legal and a music perspective. So we just have to keep watching to see how it all unfolds. If you thought this video was interesting or helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you are as interested as I am in the YSL and Young Thug case, let me know in the comments below and be sure to subscribe for future video notifications.